What is up, In Squad? As you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing how to fix your old slime. If you have some old slime, don't throw away your borax and all of that. So all you need is some hot water and lotion. I'll be back with you guys. I already have the hot water in the microwave, so I'll be going to get that and we'll be on the video. So I'll be back with you guys. So guys, I have the hot water right here. Just a little bit of hot water. Show you guys. You want a little bit of hot water, not much. Let me put it. Where do you guys see it? Where you guys can see it? No. You guys, I'll be having trouble setting up my cameras. So what you want to do, guys? So what you want to do is, you can see. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. So what you want to do, just mine, is you want to like put it in hot water. No. I messed up. You guys, I messed up. You want to put it in lotion. You want to get your lotion. See? Get your lotion. Put some lotion in it. Put some lotion in it. That's what you want to do. Put a little bit more. So you're gonna mix it up when the lotion's all. Okay. Then you want to get this slime, put it in the hot water. Get something to mix it with. Y'all, I'm in a hurry right now, so I'm just gonna put it in the hot water. You wanna push it and stuff. Just move it around in the hot water. See? This is to make it more better and stuff. This is to make it more stretchier. You have old slime. Do not throw it away. You guys, you can just fix it. Okay. And leave that in there for like 2 or 1 minute. Because you don't need to be in hot water for that long. Okay. And then I'll be back with you guys when a few minutes is done. So the minutes has passed. So now what we're going to do, you're going to take it out the hot water. You're going to knead it. That's what you're going to do. You're going to knead it. That's what you want to do. Knead it. So it can all come together this Christmas. And this make it bigger to me. Makes it a lot more stretchier, see? As you guys can see. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So, like, you guys. This is my new method. Instead of throwing away my slime, I can just freaking do this method. You guys, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below. And tell me what other videos do you want me to do. And also, at the end of videos, what I'll be doing is I'll be shouting out people. So please comment down below your name and things. And I'll be shouting you things out And then I'll be doing a big giveaway. Okay? Doing slime giveaways, doing a lot of giveaways. So please send me your email address, where you live, where's your house at, and trust me, we'll see ya. So bye-bye.